approach, crown Edward's power, chains and slavery. What would be a traitor name? What can fill a coward's grave? Bossing face as be a slave, let him turn and flee. Law for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword was strongly drawn. Free man stand, for free man fall, let him follow me. And pains by your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. May the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberties in every blow. Let us do our deed. Scots we hate when Wallace bled, Scots when Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or tough